In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your domain in Notion. Knowing your Notion domain is really helpful, especially if you're sharing pages publicly, building a mini website, or collaborating with a team. Your domain is basically the unique part of the web address that identifies your workspace. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it step by step. Start by opening Notion on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile area there. This usually shows your name or workspace name, along with your avatar or initial. Go ahead and click on that profile name. This is your entry point to all of your account and workspace settings. When you click it, a menu or panel will open. From here, you want to head into your main settings. Look for the option labeled Settings or Settings and Members, depending on the version of Notion you're using. Click on that. This will open a new window or sidebar that contains all of the configuration options for your account and workspace. Once the settings are open, you'll see several sections listed in a menu, often on the left side. Scroll through that list until you see the section called Public Pages. This area controls how your pages are shared on the web. Click on Public Pages to open it. Even if you haven't published anything yet, this is still where Notion groups all of the options related to sharing and domains. Inside the Public Pages section, look for a subsection or tab called Domains. This might be a heading or a clearly labeled area within that page. Click or navigate to Domains. Here is where Notion shows you the domain associated with your workspace. This will usually appear as part of a URL, something like a unique name followed by notion.site or a custom domain if you've set one up. Take a moment to note exactly how it appears, because this is what you'll share with others when you want them to access your public Notion pages. You can copy it directly from here if you need to paste it elsewhere, like into an email, a website, or a link in your social profiles. And that's it. By clicking your profile name, going into settings, opening public pages, and then going to domains,